Hi, I'm Jake, and today we're going to give you a rig rundown on the Sherwood 18-inch heavy-duty bandsaw. Some of the features include 18-inch cast iron wheels, a 12-amp 4-pole motor, and obviously the 5-year manufacturer's warranty as standard. But enough talk, let's take a look. So upstairs, you've got the hood open, obviously solid cast iron wheels, 18-inch, gives you a 435mm throat. The hydraulic tension system with quick release. And you've also got 405 max cutting capacity for that once in a blue moon when you need to. We've also got our electrics panel here, your current indicator, your go button, emergency stop, and your current reset switch. It's important to note that the emergency stop switch doesn't brake the motor, so make sure that you use the brake pedal. While we're on the foot brake, it is hardwired, so as soon as you hit that pedal, power stops. Also, if you're finding that you want to feed your apprentice through at about a 45-degree angle, go for it. It also has a quick change blade slot, so that you don't have to muck around removing your fence to change the blade. It means you can keep working for longer. It has an engineered dust shroud for better extraction. It also features a standard miter slot, which should fit all aftermarket miter accessories. It comes with ceramic bearings as standard for better heat absorption. It means that your blades will stay sharper for longer. So it looks nice, it's got all the bells and whistles, but I want to talk about its guts. Now this motor is a 12 amp, so you have to get your Sparky to come out and have a look at your circuits. It's a 4-pole motor, which gives it a lot more torque, which means it's got more guts, which means it'll cut a lot bigger and better. Last but not least, on the side you'll find your change tray for say your banana peels or your drawing sticks, and a small hook here for hanging up your bandsaw blades, or if you're a luthier, your fedora as well. And that's it. So any other information, hit the links below. Make sure you like, subscribe and share the channel to help us grow, and I'll see you in the next video.